somebody where she did associate with in the physical, him pass. But now, him associate with her in the spiritual.
You mean like a ghost?
No. A doppel.
So, what I say? You my aunt her?
Him a haunt her, him a taunt her, and him still want her.
So, how you get to link her? Because we are trying to reach out to her and we not get to her. So how you link her?
The period. It tell me when we go, what time we go, and where we go. And whisper, I was right on time. The little girl, she turn up in the shop. And when me dey there want her, who me say the back her? He do it. Me say, me and it put on one piece of war. And the boy chang him. Me say the boy fling me so. And then me hold him and me dash him so. And me say when me think the boy drop, yeah. One elevator box the boy give me. Twist me jaw. Me could even make Mildred know say, I don't box me. At 3 night, she did there night down me jaw. I know it's still a hot me.
So you say, the whole of this happen up at a pill? Other people see?
Other people see. But I'm me alone. You see? For them can't see him. Remember Dopey. You'd have to tell the little girl run. But the problem is that although me lick him down, it coming like my bounce right back. For when me I left up there, even though it feel like the place is kind of clean, I am still sensing her presence.
Why, Shepherd, I know how you feel like say, me I don't believe in it. But them things sound supernatural and weird.
Supernatural indeed. But it is not for Uno to believe or disbelieve. What Uno must do is take heed. You see, I warn that little girl when he did up there about that holy man when me I see. A pretty year me see first until me could have say I want coolie. And me warn her about the house. Now go back up there. But now, I am fearing that the worst has happened.
What do you mean the worst happened? What worse than what you tell me so?
Put it this way. I am no longer sensing her presence in the physical.
What do you mean?
I don't think she's with us any longer, Whisper.
But then I must right. Like how it's a vision.
As me did tell you before, as spiritual people, we only see in part, so we speak in part. My hope is that I am wrong.
I hope so too. Because we really need to get to her. Feel like say, she involved with some serious people.
Well, it look like the serious people then get to her before Uno. And something serious happen. You see, I hate to be the bearer of bad news in a whisper. But you and Bubbles, listen out for a call of confirmation. I tell Bubbles say, Uno will be going on a new journey. And you especially, remember, you are now family. So what I want you to do is keep your eye them open and make sure you don't make no mistake. And if you make a mistake, you're going to have to keep your mouth shut.
What that mean?
I cannot tell you just what it is yet, because I'm only seeing in part. But what I know is that it involves you. Young man, you're stronger than what you think. You're patient enough. And like me tell Bubbles, good will always conquer evil. Anyway, allow me out here chat. I'm hungry. Mildred cook some bacon inside there now, so come now. Come see if you can get some. Alright? Great dumpling.